Hey, what's up? Ben here from blogwithben.com, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up and use the eWin Racing Flash XL Series gaming chair, which is what I'm sitting in right now. And you might be asking yourself, Ben, why are you reviewing a gaming chair? And to be honest, it's because they gave it to me. But I gotta say, after using it, I fell in love with it. And as bloggers, we are sitting down quite a bit whenever we're creating content and typing up our blog posts. So it is important to have an office chair that is ergonomically sound. And like I said, I'm gonna show you how to set up and use this thing. And I'm also gonna give you my honest review of the chair as well. All right, real quick, before we get started, welcome to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. If you're new here, I am so glad you found me. Here you're gonna find full-length step-by-step tutorials and reviews, all aimed to help you build, grow, and monetize your blog and website. And if you find this video helpful, I would greatly appreciate it if you would like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Doing so helps me keep this channel going and growing, and it also allows you to stay up to date with all the videos that come out in the future. But either way, thank you so much for all your support. All right, with that being said, let's take a closer look at this chair and set it up. So a huge shout out and thank you to eWin Racing for sending me this Flash XL Series gaming chair. It even came with these assembly gloves, which I laughed at first, but I ended up using them and they actually helped me put the chair together. So joke's on me. But like I said, this particular model is the Flash XL Series gaming chair, and it comes with all the pieces shown here, as well as an instruction manual. And we'll dive into the specifics of the chair in just a few moments, but this one will run you around $499. However, all Blog with Ben fans can get a huge discount by using the voucher code BWB during checkout, and that will get you $100 off. I'll put a link to that deal in the video description below, so be sure to check it out if you want to get this chair and save some money. Additionally, eWin Racing provides free shipping on all orders, and no minimum purchase is necessary, so again, you can save some more money there as well. Now, as I mentioned, we're going to be reviewing the Flash XL Series chair in this video, but eWin has a ton of other great chairs, as you can see here in their lineup. They also have a handful of other products and desks to check out as well, so I highly recommend swinging by their website whenever you're done watching this video. And again, I'll put a link to their deals in the video description below. Okay, when it came time to putting this chair together, I followed the instruction manual, which is super easy to follow, but let me show you the steps to put this chair together. So first, you'll want to attach the ergonomic back and neck support cushions. You'll thread both of the straps through the two holes towards the top of the chair, and then clip them together on the back of the chair. This seems like a small detail, but they offer huge support for your back and neck while sitting or resting in the chair. They really are super comfortable. They also look great too. I love the branding and the placement of each cushion. Next, you'll want to remove the hex screws on each side of the chair with the Allen wrench provided. There are 4 total, 2 on each side. Simply unscrew them like so, but keep them handy because this is what you'll use to attach the seat in just a few moments. Okay, after you've removed the 4 screws, you'll want to place the back of the chair on the seat and attach them to one another, which is probably the hardest part of this whole process. You can tell because my camera isn't even in focus right now because I was so focused on getting the back of the chair attached to the seat. Okay, next, you'll want to attach the bracket covers to both sides of the backrest. One cover is larger than the other because it goes over the side with the lever, so keep that in mind when you're attaching them. And in order to attach them, simply place them over the bracket like so, line the holes up, and screw it in place with the smaller hex screw and Allen wrench provided. Then after screwing the cover on the bracket, attach the screw cover. It's this little circular piece of plastic and it snaps right on and hides the screw, making it look flush and easier on the eyes. Then do the same thing on the other side of the chair, but again, be sure to use the cover that is a little larger. It'll have room for the lever and will stick out a bit. Either way, the steps to attach the cover are the exact same. Line up the holes and screw them together using the smaller hex screw and Allen wrench. Then once attached, snap on the screw cover and we're moving right along. Looks great. Now it's time to attach the tray platform to the seat. But in order to do that, you'll need to unscrew the pre-mounted 4 hex screws at the bottom of the seat with the Allen wrench. And I've circled the 4 screws here to show you which ones you'll be removing. Then again, you'll want to remove them one by one, but keep them handy because they're what you'll use to attach the tray platform in just a few moments. This is also the moment where I ended up using the gloves. I was having some trouble removing the final screw with my bare hands. As you can see, this final screw didn't want to move and the wrench was kind of hurting my hand. So it was time to get the gloves. And after putting them on, it gave my hands some added protection and grip, allowing me to remove the final hex screw and move on with assembling the chair. Now, I honestly couldn't tell you what the purpose of these gloves are, but they worked in helping me remove this stubborn screw. It's a win-win in my book. Okay, now that the pre-mounted screws have been removed, it's time to attach the tray platform. You'll want to make sure that the screw holes are lined up and that the portion of the tray platform with the hole for the base is closest to the backrest of the chair. It'll look like this. Then re-screw the 4 hex screws in place and attach the tray platform securely to the base of the chair. This will take a little effort because you'll want to make sure that the holes are lined up and that you're securely fastening the tray platform to the seat with the hex screws and wrench. Just take your time and be careful. Alright, once everything has been screwed in, it's time to attach the base. Now, I unfortunately didn't get any footage of me attaching the wheels, but you'll install them by pushing them in the holes at the bottom of the 5-star base. Then take the hydraulic system and put the cover over it like so, and place it in the hole on the base. You'll then place the chair on top of the hydraulic system by inserting it into the hole within the tray platform on the bottom of the seat. Again, I apologize for not getting footage of that, but if you have any questions, just reach out in the comments. It's pretty straightforward. And congratulations, you've now assembled eWin's Flash XL Series gaming chair. And now that it's in one piece, let's check out the specs and go over why I fell in love with this heavy-duty gaming office chair. For starters, it comes in a ton of colors and different styles, but I went with the all black. I love the look and feel of the stain-resistant eWin 2.0 PU leather. It can be cleaned repeatedly without surface damage by using a clean cloth, and it looks and feels like real leather. Each chair is also made with eWin Cold Cure foam. The high density and elasticity of this foam helps prolong the comfort life of the chair and adds to its overall durability. The XL Series also comes standard with a wide and flat seat without the hip huggers and has a wide back. I'm a bigger guy standing at 6 feet 5 inches tall, so if you're on the larger side like me, the XL Series is a great fit. Next, let's talk about the 4D armrests. I love this feature because you have a ton of control over the adjustments. You can rotate the armrests in and out, side to side, forwards and backwards, and change the height, all by using the various buttons located on each armrest. And speaking of comfort, the adjustable backrest allows you to recline up to a 155-degree angle. I'm obviously not reclining all the way back in this example, but the angle adjustable backrest gives you the ability to set your comfort level with this side lever. Additionally, underneath the seat are the adjustable seat height and tilt levers with the locking system. This adds to your control over the comfort and ergonomics and can help you find your perfect chair position. Finally, the XL Series gaming chair claims that it can withstand up to 550 pounds. So my family and I put it to the test. One by one, we took a seat, and as you can see, this chair can safely hold a family of 4, and take my word for it, it's still comfortable to sit in. So even though this chair was given to me, I'm definitely going to be buying another one for my home office, and I have no problem recommending this chair to my audience. Again, if you want to learn more about eWin gaming chairs and save $100 on your purchase, visit the link located in the video description below and use voucher code BWB during checkout. Either way, I hope you have a ton of fun with your brand new eWin gaming chair. So that's going to do it for this video. If you found it helpful, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Also, if you're looking to start a blog, check out these 2 videos on how to build, grow, and monetize a WordPress blog. They'll walk you through the entire process step by step. And as always, your support means a great deal to me and my family, and for that, I thank you. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.